She's ambitious, man, she's viciously beautiful. Never thought I'd ever give a damn, but now I do. She had a mission, she had a vision to be with my man. I could see the twinkle in her eyes. She had a plan. Hey, Miss Lovely, oh Miss Lovely, you better look the other way. 'Cause I'll take that pretty smile and turn that pretty smile into a